preaching is bringing me out the dark. Finally, I can see you crystal clear. Go ahead and sell me out, and I'll lay your sheep bare. See, I'll leave with every piece of you. Don't underestimate the things that I could do. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch, and it's bringing me out the dark. The scars of your love remind me of us. They keep me thinking that we almost had it all. The scars of your love that leave me breathless. I can't help feeling we could have had it all. Rolling in the deep, you have my heart out in your hands, and you played it to the beat. Yeah. So, baby, I have no story to be told, but I've heard one on you, and I'm gonna make your head burn. Think of me in them depths of your despair. Make it home down there as my soul we share. The scars of your love remind me of us. They keep me thinking that we almost had it all. The scars of your love that leave me breathless. I can't help feeling we could have had it. Rolling in the deep, you have my heart out of your hands, and you played it to the beat. Could have had it all. Rolling in the deep, you have my heart out of your hands, and you played it with a beat. Come on then, girl. Throw your soul through every open door. Count your blessings to find what you look for. Turn my sorrow into treasured gold. Pay me back in kind and reap just what you sow. Thank you, ladies. I see that Amy sweater. Right, let's have a sing along. I'm gonna do it, and then the girls are gonna do it with me to make sure you know the words, and then you're gonna do it, and then we're all gonna do it together. You're gonna wish you never had met me. Tears are gonna fall, rolling in the deep. You're gonna wish you never had met me. Tears are gonna fall, rolling in the deep. Your turn. Louder. Louder. There you are. It all